stand correctly. Let's get it, please. I don't want shit, I'm not having none of that. Not my door. Or any of them.
No,
They're
it's
not
not
me.
fair. It's not fair. Listen, no.
What's it all over?
Next thing you know, Tom and Matt down on the boat. Tom goes, right, come on.
Well, that's me. Well, that's maybe a bit of Curtis' dad anyway. Well, I'm not on about that. I'm on about if you want to make a stand. But if anybody wants to knock my door, they know me. I'm open. Anybody can come in my house. You know where I live. I live number 30 down here road. If them guys want to come back round now and knock my door, and no aggressiveness, no anything. I've just had a phone call to say there's a gang of boys here going to work Tom. No, so I've just had a phone call saying that, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to make sure they ain't going to work Tom, because I don't care who they are. I'm his dad. If anybody's going to work him, they're going to have to ask first. No, it's.
I wouldn't let them. I wouldn't stand next to
No,
them.
no. If them guys want to come down my house now, if I'll have anybody on my front garden fist to fist.
Then walk them out with that.
Because there's 5 guys. If no, go away, or I'll fucking twat you myself. If them guys want to come and knock my door, please say to them guys, please come and knock my door and explain what you do. That's all they've got to do. Please come and knock my door. There'll be nobody there. There'll be none of this shit.
I don't know how someone out the way by ourselves and then play football in the field.
Right. Tell them guys, I need to know what the problem is. Tom and Kurt have got a problem. So Curtis needs to come to me and say, I've got a problem with Tom. If they were like that, I'm going to go and do it and I'll stand there. Just weed?
Yeah. Just in the car, yeah, but
Just weed?
just in the car.
Yeah, but if you get a pulley in the drive, you're responsible for what's in the car. I understand
And that's why they fell out, because Kurt was like,
I understand that, but can somebody knock the door and tell me? I can't confront Tom unless somebody knocks the door and tells me. If they tell me, I'll nail his arse to the wall. He knows. I'll back him up till the end of the earth.
Yeah.
But if somebody comes and tells me he's done wrong, I'll nail his arse to the wall.
Well, that's what it fell out. That's what it's about.
Well, can you ask Curtis, please? There's no violence, there's no anything, to come and knock my door and just sit and have a talk. And I'll guarantee that if anybody raises a finger to him, I'll personally knock him fucking out. Just tell him to come and knock my door and we'll have a talk about it, because I don't want this shit. I mean, I'll come out told up because there's a lot of lads. They're saying them big boys, just make sure you can look after yourself. I ain't got a problem with looking after myself. Just ask them to come and knock my door and talk to me, please.
Right.